Have you ever pondered the perils of future trading in cryptocurrency? Well, allow me to take you on a journey. A journey of a young man full of ambition and curiosity who stepped into the world of cryptocurrency trading. Bright-eyed and eager, he dove headfirst into the thrilling yet unpredictable world of digital currency. This young man, let's call him John, was drawn in by the allure of quick profits and the siren song of financial freedom. He started trading on the Binance exchange, the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange by trading volume. John was captivated by the flashing numbers, the constant rise and fall of values, the adrenaline rush of it all. But what John didn't realize was that he was stepping into a world of high risk. Future trading in cryptocurrency isn't like playing a game of chess. It's more like riding a roller coaster in the dark. The highs can be thrilling, but the lows can be gut-wrenching, and soon enough, the lows came for John. His initial wins, the ones that had filled him with confidence and dreams of quick riches, were quickly overshadowed by losses. First, it was a small dip, a minor setback, but then the losses started to pile up. John's assets, his hard-earned savings, began to dwindle. His dreams of financial freedom seemed further and further away. Instead of the profitable trader he had imagined himself to be, he was now grappling with the harsh reality of trading futures in the cryptocurrency market. John had walked into the world of cryptocurrency futures trading without fully understanding the risks involved. He had been swept up in the glamour of it all, without considering the potential for loss, and now he was paying the price. And this, dear listener, brings us to the moral of our story. While the world of cryptocurrency can be enticing, it's crucial to understand the risks involved, especially when it comes to futures trading. It's not a path to quick riches, but a journey filled with potential pitfalls and steep learning curves. So, the next time you find yourself tempted by the allure of futures trading in the cryptocurrency market, remember John's story. Remember the importance of understanding the risks before jumping in. And most importantly, remember to tread carefully, because in the world of cryptocurrency futures trading, the only sure thing is uncertainty. So avoid future trading in the cryptocurrency market. It may seem like a shortcut to wealth, but as John learned the hard way, it can quickly lead to loss. Instead, focus on understanding the market, learning about different cryptocurrencies, and making informed decisions. Because in the end, a sure and steady approach is the best path to success in any venture.